Hello everyone, welcome to Viral Buzz News. Today, we will talk about the recent drop in CrowdStrike's stock and the consequences of the global disruption of its tech service. CrowdStrike's stock fell 13% during Monday's trading session as the cybersecurity software company continued to help clients across industries recover from a disruption that took millions from Microsoft. Windows devices went offline last week. On Friday morning, the company released a faulty update of its Falcon vulnerability protection software that caused computers, data center servers, and display screens to crash, leading to flight suspensions and medical appointment cancellations. The incident affected 8.5 million Windows devices, less than 1% of the global total, according to Microsoft. IT staff worked quickly to repair the computers. Meanwhile, hackers attempted to exploit the confusion by creating malicious websites that appeared to offer software updates. CrowdStrike CEO George Kurtz addressed the situation live with Jim Cramer of CNBC. CrowdStrike's stock dropped 11% on Friday, but over the weekend people shared photos on social media of Windows devices showing the so-called blue screen of death, a sign that the computers needed administrator attention. CrowdStrike said on Sunday it was testing a method to repair the affected machines more quickly. Guggenheim Securities downgraded its rating on CrowdStrike shares from buy to neutral on Sunday. Analysts led by John DiFucci said the stock was still trading at the highest revenue multiple of all our software coverage. According to the analysts, CrowdStrike could take some time to repair its image, and the fallout is likely to impact bookings. Bookings are an early estimate of the value of contracts from new and existing customers that can give investors an idea of a company's revenue potential. We continue to have the utmost respect for CrowdStrike's management team and believe the company will ultimately emerge even stronger as a result of this incident, and if investors have a multi-year horizon, they will be able to weather it, they wrote. However, we find it difficult to tell investors they need to buy CRWD right now. Goldman Sachs maintained its buy recommendation for CrowdStrike shares in a note issued Monday morning. But the investment bank's analysts said they expected CrowdStrike's transactions to take longer to close between the time of the disruption and July 31st, the end of the software company's fiscal second quarter. Our recent conversations reaffirm our view that there will likely be minimal changes in endpoint market share following this event, although we recognize that additional details in the post-mortem will further inform this view, wrote the analysts led by Gabriela Borges. They pointed to a McAfee service disruption in 2010 that caused computer failures to give an idea of what happened before last week's events. The impact on revenue due to deferrals was approximately $6 million in deferred revenue not recognized on the balance sheet, and revenue was also negatively impacted by another approximately $14 million. Then CEO Dave DeWalt told analysts on a conference call in July of that year. Kurtz was McAfee's chief technology officer at the time. Less than a month after McAfee's earnings conference call, Intel announced its intention to buy the antivirus company for $7.7 billion. This is an evolving situation, CrowdStrike said in a regulatory filing Monday. We continue to assess the impact of the event on our business and operations. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and activate the bell for more Viral Buzz news. See you in the next video.